Bed bugs are quite literally the parasites of your nightmares, and they're specifically designed to drain your body while you sleep. These little monsters live under your bed and inside your mattresses. I'm Watson, and today we're looking at some of the scariest parasites. Let's take a look at bed bugs. Bed bugs are a type of insect that feed on humans, usually at night. Their bites can result in a number of health impacts, including skin rashes, psychological effects, and allergic symptoms. Bedbug bites may lead to skin changes ranging from invisible to small areas of redness to prominent blisters. The bedbug epidemic in North America is significant. In fact, their numbers in some areas increased by 2,000%. So, how can you prevent bedbugs from invading your house? We'll cover that in a moment. But first, look at some of these clips. Are they making you itch? If so, that is a common reaction. Can you feel the itch and burn on your scalp and skin? Leave a comment or click like if the answer is yes. To prevent bed bugs, it is important to inspect any bed before you lay in it. In fact, bed bugs often travel on clothing or suitcases. If you plan to travel to a hotel or B&B, make sure to inspect all corners of the bed and under the mattress before bringing your belongings into the room. Never put your luggage on the bed before inspecting.
These guys are tremendous hitchhikers, so they can cling onto your clothing and leave with you and get into your home.
So this is why when I hear about, because there are more international travelers, we're getting more bed bugs in this country, that's the reason why they're getting into people's suitcases?
Absolutely, that's the way they're being transported around the country and around, the world.
Bed bugs invade hotels more than you think. According to the Orkin study, 98% of hotels have at least one ongoing bed bug prevention program. Additional research shows that 82% of hotels in the US have treated for bed bugs in the past year. 40% of all hotels have undergone treatment in the past month. No doubt, spending the night in an infested bed can lead to some unpleasant after effects. Just ask Brazilian model Sabrina St. Pierre, who is suing the Palm Desert Embassy Suites near Palm Springs, California, after allegedly being massacred by bedbugs during her stay 2 years ago. Well, if you survived this entire video, please click like and subscribe for new videos all the time. Now, let's talk about getting a good night's sleep with Restmore. We asked, and here's what you had to say about Restmore.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Restmore.
That's right, Restmore. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
Bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Restmore yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Restmore. There's an Amazon link in the description below.